respect me. Funny haters them no respect for no. Like what kind of respect? They might not like me, but them respect me. So understand me a king still. I understand me I take over the world still. Yeah. I'm not share. I'm not share. So see content here. When you can go make a video them and then go talk on the life and talk about me and them things there. You kinda need it still. I need to talk about me still. But I don't need to talk about it anymore. I don't need for medicine. None at all. I don't need for medicine. And if somebody says something like my sister I will if I wanna talk, then I just deal with it generally. And I eat that. I just wait for me to take over the world with them content. Yeah? Yeah man. Big up to my supporters them, daddy. The people them were there for me, daddy. Were there, will show myself when they're there for me, charge really. I'm not flapper at this phone. No. Cause I look out for me, I make sure it's good. You know? In terms of help, I help myself, I did. I go link TJ and me and TJ go find a decent therapist so I can reason with somebody where I can go to go sit down and reason with them. Cause I know for the time I just that many if just come out of the house, you know. And go check somebody. That's reason. But me not take no medication. Me not go to Bellevue. Me not do none of them things because me not feel like I need that. And me don't want my superpower for gone, you know. Cause my brain, no, me don't want my powers for cut still. But me go have people around me to talk to. And me go keep some good friendship around me, you know. Yeah. I'm gonna start with TJ and Lando and Maya. Yeah. If I did nobody else on TikTok for come look for me or left them yard for come check me, them wouldn't do that. They did, and big up to them, big up to Lando, TJ and Maya. Them, yeah, man. The place never did really say good on them there, see me and accept all the things that and just I check for me and I respect that anyway. Yeah, so big up to TJ, Maya and London, anyway. And when you come on to Allery, when you come on to Allery still, I feel like we're not go too hard on her, you dig? I feel like we're not go too hard on her, you know them way there. And maybe I me started, but the death threat and them little thing there, I don't understand what that. I don't understand what that. But you can ease up off of Allery still. Just ease up. Despite the way when I feel, you can ease up still. And just show love. And me and her there, me and her Gucci, you know. But just show love, Charlie. You love me, don't. I ask them if you just show her love in a time like this. Because the whole of the day so understand the assignment and know how the thing go when it come on to we and the Jamaican TikTok hemisphere. But Alary, maybe she not really see what with certain things. She has see things, you know. But because the knowledge of me and Uno have over here, so we are see a total different thing. And I want to just ease up on her, you did. Because, yeah. And as me said to you, like me, I got there saying I'm my own lane. I do my thing. I not have to connect with people. Me connect with TJ, Lando, Emmy, Maya. But the rest of them youth, I not depend on that. I not gonna give them a chance for style me. For bring me down, for make me feel less of a person, like you're more than me. No, you're not more than me. I'm not gonna make you feel like you're more than me. Like me would run match with TG, them people when I say, you know. But you see Alary, you know. Yeah, man. She be there over this and just do her thing. Well, tell TJ some me forward. Tell TJ some me forward, one second. Alary with over this do her thing. And she just connect with who she connect with. She just connect with who she want to connect with. And we just need to ease up and lower them little fuckers still. And just be supportive same way Alary same way. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because them really give her a big fight. From the day when she decides say she talk to me and give me a chance, them been a give her some whole heap of fight. Like she wrong for there with me. Like she idiot for there with me. Them start to make it look like she look cloud. Them start to make it look like she look this. You reach a point when them TikToker you talk down upon her. Them batty boy there start to talk down upon the girl. And me, them fear attack, you know. But them see say, alright then, them can't get at me a certain way. I'm mentally equipped, so them go half a she. I don't understand that about buckler, bro. And people just start to attack her, charge it. It makes you feel fuck up now for a time, and she fought with me, fought to me with the fuck up feeling more while. And me I feel fuck up to that. I would want to know if you just ease up half her. I want them pussy to just ease up half her. Because she not do nothing. And me I beg my supporters them over here so for where I hold up Alary same way I did. Because she never there for there with me or there for me still. She could have there with any of them. She could have there with any man who have them money and them little things. But here what she not miss no money and them things. I miss she miss charging. So here what we are do. When them try bring her up, we lift her up too. When them try bring her down, we lift her up. See me like on the day over here, so I lift me up. And I prove them wrong charging. You know what I tell you? And I world domination, and that me say. And as soon as I take over the blood clot world, like, who I don't want in other world, I'm going to kick them out. I'm going to make them page get deactivated. I'm going to hurt them. I'm going to kill them with my talent. I don't have no gun, I don't have no badness, I'm a nerd. But I know how I'm going to murder on with my talent. My talent. I mean, I take over the world with a few people and where they there so with me. Yeah, man. Mansa Musa pre for make so much money. I can buy plane ticket for all of my friends them and them girlfriend them. Like me I buy a ticket for everybody just for forward with me. Mansa Musa gonna reach the dog and I gonna take over the world, dog. I gonna take over the world. And I gonna take it over with few people who come here. Where she said them there, where show me say them there for me charging. Yeah man. Yeah man, for she say, for hear Lando out there some my youth and hear TJ out there so never did me never and she say Maya them really I should out for me. We not no man, we not left them stranded my youth. No, we not left them stranded. With alright, TJ, we not gonna put TJ in a Canaan neighbor video, but TJ got there in a next project, couple project them. We not left them stranded, man. We want world to see them with we. Yeah, man. Cause I could have there some half myself, bro. I could have there so, bro. I never dare drink water. You know, sir, when them forward, I realize what I go on. You know, sir, when them... I not even there see color, dog. I not see no color, bro. Like, I read alone, I only color me I see. I went TJ them forward, I remember for drink water, you know. I went TJ them forward, I remember for drink water, you know, bro, and eat food and them little thing there, bro. To home, me just depress your fuck. When me just depress and just determine your fuck for make it. Depress and determine. Bad mixture. Yeah man, big up the G them, bro. Lando, big up yourself, bro. Me I bring you around the world with me. And then it ease up off all that, man. I'm gonna see she go live her thing, bro. I'm gonna just show love, compassion. She not deserve the bag of fuckery energy we're not give. Give me take it. Me take the fuckery energy. Because I'm me I don't know. Me there yard. And this is the job when I do. And me I don't know. Me take the fuckery energy, bring it, come give me. But you see the pussy them where feel like them can bring her down. You can bring me down. You feel like you can bring me down, you know. Try bring me down, you know. And then you want to try bring her down too. No man, that no cool, man. I know found a man. I know found a man how now do this. Now batty man, bro. It's either that or I'm jealous or envious or what going on.